Hey everybody, it's Kevin,
Kimberly,
Abby, and Izzy
from Our Way Out, and today we're going to show you a few of the animals. We introduced you to some of them that we got from the auction, but we want to let you get to know them a little bit better. We know we have a lot of new subscribers now, so we figured we'd introduce ourselves and kind of just give you an overview of what we've had going on here. Behind us we have our emus. We just moved them up to this new pen. They were in a smaller one while we were getting things ready. They've got quite a bit of room to run around here. These are emus. Do y'all want to tell them their names?
Yeah.
The blonde one with the red band, what's its name?
Its name is Sunrise.
Okay, this is Sunrise. And then the other blonde one with the blue band is Moonrise.
Moonrise. That's my name.
Yep. And then the standard with the red band is now Clara. Clara. She was named Jerry whenever we bought them. We were told we got it swapped what was the males and the females, so we had the wrong names at first. But then after we sent off for DNA testing, we also realized that one of the males was actually a female. So the red one used to be Jerry, but now it's Clara. And we have the blue one is Kathy. Zippy is the yellow one. Right over here is Zippy. She was the smallest whenever we got her, but she's grown up quite a bit now. And then, did y'all come up with a name for Clara is Jerry.
yeah, green is Jerry.
They like pecking
Green,
my
yeah. Okay. So we have Jerry,
Sunrise, you're silly.
Clara, Zippy. What's the other one?
Clara, Jerry.
Oh, Kathy.
Kathy.
Yeah, because Kathy used to be Bill.
Yeah, Bill and Kathy.
We have two more males that are smaller, but as soon as we put them in the pen over here yesterday, they immediately got through the holes on the wire. So we had to put them in with the chickens for now. But we'll take you around and let you see some more of our animals.
About Ocean.
Here's the babies we bought from the auction. Abby, tell them about yours.
This is a bottle-land sheep. Baby doll sheep. Its name is Sheepy.
She's 2 weeks old.
So cute.
Yeah. Oh, there, Izzy, right there.
I want to get the blue collar.
We'll just put the bottle down, it'll come to you. Then we bought these three other goats. We thought they were boys at the time, but turns out, we thought they were girls at the time, but turns out they were boys. And what'd you name that one?
Ocean.
This one's named Ocean. There's their little puppies.
Yeah.
Oh, wow. I wish I'd have got that on video.
Always work out.
Yep. Licky and Cinnamon. Yeah.
Way too wide. Oh!
Okay. The girls' puppies got after the other goats, so we had to stop and go catch them. But, like I said, the baby doll sheep is a girl. Her name is Sheepy. The little Nigerian dwarf with the blue collar is named Ocean. The other two, we're still working on names. We've only had them for a couple of days, so still got to figure out what they're going to be. But they love to eat. She's 2 weeks old. They're 4 weeks old, so hopefully they just got a few more weeks and then they'll be good. But they were well in the bottle whenever we got them.
They love milk.
Yes, they do.
They love milk in the bottle. What's Sheepy doing?
Just a minute, baby. I'll get you some more in a minute.
Hey, baby.
Yeah, ripping it.
Puppies are in the pen now, but they're still barking because they see the other goats running by them.
Oh!
Then over here is another one we bought from the auction. The white one, his name is Ginger. It's Izzy's. She named him. And then this is Stirrup.
I
We bought him locally from a friend of ours in town. She raises Nigerian dwarf goats and makes soap out of goat's milk. And we got him about a week ago. He's a couple months old, but he's really sweet. The girls named him Stirrup. That's Snowflake. We've had her for a while. And that's Floppy and then Rose. Hey, calm down. There's enough milk for all.
I was trying to help her get her goat turned around because he was going frantic.
You want some milk?
He's like, what? He's like, is there somebody else that you need?
Yep.
That one, he's probably done.
Hey, do you go get me a wet one? And I'll clean off the fence. You need one? Sheepy's done.
Yeah, sheepy's done.
Well, I can see that.
Yeah, but mine is not done.
We'll tell just a wag. There you go. That's the easiest way to go. For some reason, it likes to bend that way.
Good job, guys.
They eat it all?
2 out of 3 bottles. Sheepy's working on the 3rd. I'm going to clean up Sheepy's face a little bit because I think it's milk that she spilled on the side.
Oh, she's so fuzzy.
Yeah.
Everything sticks to her.
I just told her to get me a wet rag and we clean her up good. Hey, babies. Yeah, it's our family. Yeah, Ocean. I think someone.
But yeah, when we bought the 3 goats here, like I said, we thought they were girls. Since they're boys, I don't know what we'll end up doing with them. I don't know if we'll keep them all or find new homes for them or what we'll do. But right now they're with us, at least for a while.
I think you're all done. That's not very much left, so that's good.
Still working on one.
Actually, hold it way up for her.
Okay. Abby made it back with a rag.
I'm just going to hold her, okay? Dried everything on your face.
So, Mama, all 3 of the bottles are cleaned.
Oh, good.
Wow. Sheepy finished some of it. Oh, I can. And then she ate some, and then the boy ate some.
Yep.
Let's just press you under that.
Okay. Let's see. Ginger. Yep, there's Ginger, and like I said, Stirrup. He'll end up being our breeder buck, I think. We liked how he's marked up. Stirrup.
Hi, Stirrup. What's your name, Stirrup?
Okay.
This one's my goat. It has a pink collar, and it's mine because I like it when you get like this, it just crawls on your back. It just dumps and it goes so good. That's what's stuck on stuff for me.
They like to chase y'all across the pasture, too.
It is so funny when they do that. They're like...
That's all I'm going to be able to get to it. It's very
Are you trying to get them to chase you?
Come here. Come, this one is. Okay.
I'm sorry. It makes you very unhappy with it.
Is it good? Hey. What's this? This sheep is so sweet. You can literally do this with it. It's in your shirt. Never mind. That one's getting your shirt. It's not getting my shirt either. That one was trying to eat your shirt. It actually was. Come here. Come here.
Okay.
Alright, guys. What's next?
It's doing it. I got it. Look. This is my, it's a lion head bunny, and this one's Cameron. This one's a boy, and it's mine. This one's Iggy's. It's so nice. These are the girls. I don't know what these are.
Those are boys.
Those are boys.
We thought those were a breeding pair, but turns out they weren't. because they're so fluffy.
But when you actually grab, like hold them, so that one's it is so cute. Here we go. See, look at this one. Look at the baby. Look at it.
Yeah.
Are you gonna put him back?
What are you doing, Rose?
Okay.
Rose, put your bunny back up.
Oh, baby. I really want to hold. Can I hold one of mine?
The lavender?
I want to hold the other one.
That one's the easiest one to get right now.
He's got poop on him. That's why she's
Oh.
You don't have to touch the poop on it.
But that's what I'm supposed to. What's that one? Those are the girls.
No, that's the boys back there.
These
Girls
are
over here.
Okay, you heard.
Yeah.
Sometimes they will literally do this. Oh, see that hurt.
Yep. Well, don't drop it.
No,
He'll get away.
get back.
Shut the door. That way they don't get out.
She's like,
What are you? Oh, he's getting out. What are you doing, Is?
So tiny. She's so cute.
Look at those feet on that
No.
thing.
How do I hold him?
Just you're gonna end up losing him. Is put him back in.
This is how you hold these bunnies. Can I just hold that one?
Because those are quite a bit bigger, and so they're a little stronger to hold than little lion heads.
They're hard to hold. He's very friendly.
I didn't know you could hold them like this. Oh, his name is Nice.
Thought you held him lavender.
It was a girl.
They could scratch you, but they're just sitting still right now.
Ow. Hey. By the way, bunnies really, really hurt.
This is just their temporary housing for now. We've got to build some rabbit hutches. When we went to the sale, we weren't planning on getting rabbits, but the auction ran really late. Ouch. Rose, quit biting me. The auction ran really late on Friday, and so they saved the bunnies till Saturday morning. So unfortunately, we were there when they sold, and we came home with some.
We came home with 10.
10.
10. That's on me.
Yep, hair.
I'm gonna probably be bleeding. I want to name the
Okay.
big scratches. I want. Did Abby get the one that's a boy? I really want to hold that girl right there.
But that's our rabbits.
Hair. So that's it for today, guys. I hope you enjoyed the video, and I hope you enjoyed learning about our animals and learning to meet our animals.
Yep, and
So
come back for some future videos to see some more of them.